Yo, what's up guys? BMW just dropped something huge at EICMA, and honestly, this might be the bike that finally gets more people into adventure riding. So here's the deal, adventure bikes are amazing, but let's be real, they're intimidating. Big engines, tall seats, heavy weight. If you didn't grow up riding dirt bikes, jumping straight into a 900 or 1300 GS feels impossible. That's exactly why BMW's new F450 GS is such a big deal. Taking a page straight out of Royal Enfield's book, BMW teamed up with India's TVS, the same folks behind their G310 bikes, to build this thing from the ground up. And the numbers are solid. A brand new 420 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine pumping out 48 horsepower at 8,750 revolutions per minute and 32 lb-ft of torque at 6,750 revolutions per minute. For comparison, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 makes 40 horsepower and 30 lb-ft, so BMW's basically saying, we see your Himalayan, and we're raising you. BMW says the crankshaft design, with crankpins offset 135 degrees, gives it that strong emotional character while keeping vibrations low. Translation: it should feel fun without shaking your hands off. Now here's what makes this bike actually approachable. Weight is just 393 pounds, way lighter than the big GS models. And the seat height? Standard is 33.3 inches, but you can get it as low as 32.7 inches. That's a genuinely reachable height for a lot more riders. Range is solid 2.3. 6-gallon tank giving you over 200 miles. But the real star of the show? The Easy Ride clutch. This comes standard on the top trim, the GS Trophy, which is actually the only version coming to the US. It works with BMW's Gear Shift Assist Pro to basically remove the need to use the clutch lever manually. It's still there if you want it, like lifting the front wheel over a log, but for everyday riding, it's clutchless. This fits right into that whole trend we're seeing with automatic clutch tech showing up on bikes like the Honda Rebel 300 e-clutch. Other tech goodies: 3 ride modes, rain, road, enduro, ABS Pro, dynamic brake control, dynamic traction control, LED lighting, USB-C charging, and a 6.5-inch TFT screen showing navigation and even your lean angle. Suspension-wise, you're getting a 43mm KYB upside-down fork and a KYB rear shock, adjustable for preload and rebound. One thing to note: the 19-inch front wheel suggests this isn't meant for the gnarliest trails out there. But that's kind of the point, right? This bike is about opening the gate to adventure riding for way more people. Now for the bad news: availability. The 2027 BMW F450 GS Trophy isn't expected in the US until late 2026 or early 2027. So yeah, patience required. Pricing in the US isn't confirmed yet, but the UK Trophy edition starts around £7,760, that's roughly $10,100. If US pricing lands anywhere close to that, this could seriously shake up the entry-level ADV market. So what do you guys think? Is this the bike that finally gets you into adventure riding? Drop your thoughts in the comments.